What's up mga bossing? Welcome to Boy Bukas Toy Box. And of course, this is Alvin at magbubukas ulit tayo ng another cool toys. So this time we're going to unbox and review this Sentai robot, which is the Lupin Kaiser from the Sentai series Kaiju Sentai Lupinranger. Okay, so I'm sure it's not related to Lupin the Third, so this one is pretty cool. Look at that, look at that. So let's go mga bossing. What are we waiting for? Syempre, let's unbox.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, here we go mga bossing. Now we got the Lupin Kaiser. Nice. And yeah, this Sentai Lupinranger versus Keisatsu Sentai Patranger. So this is the vehicles combined, so I think you can combine them together. So, but first we're gonna review only the Lupinranger, and next video will come out the Kaiser Ranger. So this is the third installment from my Facebook Marketplace for the Lupin Kaiser GX. Okay, so what's inside? Oh, okay. Oh, where's the manual? As always, as he mentioned, there's no manual here. I don't know why they taking it out. I know it's in Japanese, but with the pictures, it really helps a lot, right? So first thing we got like this card, and I also don't understand it, but there's a QR code, so maybe it can help us to know what it is. So maybe there's some freebies here. Okay, so yeah, at least we got the plastic for the manual. Hey, ayos. Okay, so let's take it out. Balot na balot. So, boom. Okay, let's. Oh, nice. It's not what you call that? Not yeah, they're not like this one with the tape. So this help us. It's make it more easier to remove. Let's throw it out. So we got the red one here. But as you can see, there's another, like this one is another, like a 3 Rangers, right? I think, not too sure when they start using only 3 Rangers instead of 5. You know, so just let me know guys if you have any stories about Sentai when they start doing the 3 Rangers only instead of 5. And yeah, of course that's and if you guys noticed before, they using like you know, like an, let's just say like an older guy or actor and actresses. Not some matured actor, right? Before those are like they're kind of heroes. Now it's become the teenagers, right? Or the younger generation. Okay, this one is a big piece. Looks great. Still also, you know, still we can still keep the plastic, right? So we're trying not to break it. So maybe, yeah, after New Year, we will start again searching for another Sentai at Marketplace. kind of hard, so I think we need a karambit. Okay, there you go. Karambit power activate. Okay, deactivate. Okay, so
逃げる怪盗追う警察その時あいつがブラッと参上するルパンカイザーすげえぜ次回国際警察追跡せよなんじゃこりゃ
got one of the big piece here. Okay, got some battery here, still not been used and not been opened. So let's see how this looks like. Okay, now let's see the good striker. So this is like almost the whole body of the sword. So that's pretty cool. So you can do that in the wings. There's a wing here. There's another dial. So there's a lot of dial going on this Sentai version or series. So that looks pretty cool. So very nice plastic as always. And this one kind of soft, so I think that's a good thing. Make it more safer. And nice details there. I like it. There you go. Make it longer. So good. So that's like the main legs, right? So you can combine. Let's see what else we can do here. But as you know, guys, there's not much articulation going on in any DX. So just to keep what you can do here. So nice. And the wheels, pretty cool. Nice. So overall, this is really great. So okay, so I think that's how you're gonna display it. Vehicles mode. So this one is also like a gun. There's a trigger in here. Okay, what else can we do? So right, I think something like this. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, so there's not much transformation going on this one. There's almost everything we can do. And let's go the next red dial. There you go, that's the red dial. So nothing much also special on this one. So okay, there's no electronics going on it, there's no sounds. So okay, so you cannot just put it back because you need to get the exact dial number here. See? No, there you go. So we can do on this one, and that's all. So let's take the other dial. Okay, right now we got the blue dial. Okay, so we can do this one's like a plane with automatic guns here at the back. So what else can we do here? Okay, so there you go. So what you can do. Okay, for the next tile. Okay, there you go. We got the yellow dial. Okay, so this one looks like a... So there's another kind of planes here with this what they call, like, oscillating pan, and you can also bend it here. So like the blue one, that's how it fly. So they got those the B logo there. Nice. Okay, there you go. So we got the three dials here. And the good striker. Okay, so let's combine them together to form the Mega Sword. So this is the arm. So yeah, so there's not much articulation still going on this one. So but you go the arm, you can do that. Yeah, and this one you just spread it a little bit, but no, you cannot bend any. You cannot bend the knee, even the feet. Yeah. So okay, so look at that, but still in great details. The plastic is still high quality plastic, so everything is okay there. So I think we can still combine it with the other. So we can still combine the Patranger. Yeah, with this dial you can create a lot of noise. You can play lots of sounds here. There you go, my bossing. So I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you can hit the, and of course if you can click the bell icons, that will be great, so you're always updated with all my toys that I unbox. So I usually unbox Japanese toys if you're just new here, just to let you know. There you go. So once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in the deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's can't fight it. I can't fight it.